I think it is when if I can choose a love, it is not right because career is more important than love.
Okay. Is it okay to make girlfriend boyfriend in school time or not?
It is not, uh, as per my opinion,
Yes.
it is not a good thing because this at this age, every girls and boys should be focused in their study because this time is this time will be never come in their life.
Is there any dream job which you want to achieve?
I have not decided after before my marriage. Uh, I want to become a good teacher, but uh, it could not be possible because I got married. So in nowadays, I have not a big dream.
So do you not want to continue or pursue your dream? Like you want to become a teacher, but anyhow it is not possible. So now it's not time that you want to be a teacher.
It is not possible yet because I am a homemaker in nowadays. If I if I got any opportunity that I can do something for my family, so I can do job in anywhere.
Okay. What is your favorite place?
Uh, um, I I like every place, but not a particular. मतलब, I mean, it's not a particular
Okay.
place
Do you
which
have
I
any
like.
child
Yes,
right now?
I have two child.
You have two child. So how do you manage work and nurturing of your child as well simultaneously?
First of all, I have not any job. I am a homemaker and I'm always in there in in my house every time.
Okay. My question is, as you said, you are waiting for any opportunity to come. So do you believe that destiny? So do you believe that destiny control our life, and we can create our path by ourselves?
Sorry, I don't know.
Like as you said that you are waiting for any opportunity that then will come, then you will think about to do your job. So do you believe that destiny create our path, or we can create by ourselves?
If I got any opportunity for job, so I think it is my destiny because I don't like so that I will do job because I can't face people
Okay.
and it's a very long time for for a homemaker.
Who is your favorite celebrity and why?
I don't like any celebrity.
Okay. Could you share your most memorable moment right now?
Um, Firstly, I am a mother, and in every mother, in every mother moment is memorable moment that he uh, that he borns a child. That is a memorable moment in my life
Okay. Why are you learning English?
because I like English. and I think if I know English, I will I will be teach my child, my, teach our child English in their future, for their future. So
What are the
that's
three
why.
qualities that you impress if any person have?
Sorry,
What are the three qualities you are impressed by any person?
my qualities.
Any other some
In
from
someone's quality.
before you
Um, if if someone has a good nature and speak politely and kind hearted.
I have last question for you. Is it okay to marry second time or not?
If your first marriage, um, if you're not happy with your first marriage, so I think someone got a, मतलब, I mean, have a chance for second marriage.